getting awful brave. Doing it without the noodle, huh? Remember, mouth closed. Good job.
Can I put these in the water?
Yeah. Whoa! That was a big jump. Mouth closed. Breathe through your nose. Yay!
I want to use grab one. And I want you to swim and get one, okay?
Okay.
When I put out one, I'm going to get you get one, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Now go get them. Now get them.
Okay. Here they go. Ready? Whee! Where are you going there, Tiger? Yeah! You got 2.
Hey, where's the other one?
Right there beside you. Right over there. See it? Mouth closed. Good job. You're awesome. You rock.